Welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. So I'm gonna make another simple and quick tempeh recipe. Now we're gonna use tempeh and red pepper. So we're gonna bake it. Let's do this. Okay, again, so you don't need a knife for this. Yeah, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. It's very easy and very fast. I want you guys to think about cooking is very easy and fast, okay? Then now we are going to use I want to use bumbu kuning here. Bumbu kuning here. If you want to use from, you need this. So here, put it there. 2, and kucuk, kucuk. Okay,